I just got a $15 no deposit bonus and I can start trading with it. And in this video, I will show you how you can get yours already. Alright. Before I proceed, I want you to know that you can please withdraw from this bonus without having to deposit any money of your own. As you can see, this is what they said from their customer support. You don't need to make any deposit to be able to withdraw your profit, and you don't need to deposit any money before you can get this particular no deposit bonus. As you can see, I have gotten mine and I will show you how you can get yours as well in this video. While we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates like this and so that you won't be missing out. Alright. Now I want you to understand that over the past few days, we've been getting a lot of withdrawals from people that trade no deposit bonus that have been dropping. Alright, so if you are seeing this right now, ensure you go and get yours right away. Ensure you watch this video to the end so that you can know every single step you need to take to be able to get this particular bonus. Alright, so I won't be wasting much of your time in this video. All you just have to do to get this bonus is head to the description of this video and check for my Telegram link there. Click on the link you are going to find and it's going to direct you to my Telegram. Alright. So right here in my Telegram is where you find the link to get the bonus there. Just click on the link and it is going to direct you to their home page. And this right here is where you have to register an account today. Now, like I said earlier, many of you might be familiar with this particular broker, but I want you to know that I have spoken with their customer support and they've explained every single thing I need to know about the no deposit bonus that I'm about to show you, and it is real and legit. You can also withdraw. As you can see right here, this is my chat with the customer support and I'll be telling you the terms and conditions in this video. So now to get this account, after registering an account with them, all you have to do is head over to their homepage right here, and as you can see they claim your new 150 bonus $150. So you just have to click on it, and after clicking on it, as you can see right here, this is going to direct you here. Now trade our featured instrument and earn $15 every day. Now this bonus is valid for 7 days. Once you get the bonus, it is valid for 7 days. So you're getting $15 every single day for the next 7 days. Now that is just one of the terms and conditions. So as you can see right here, click start bonus, trade every day on your bonus account, earn real money, which means you can withdraw. Now these are the things you need to follow to be able to withdraw. You have to trade this instrument every single day. As you can see, Monday to Tuesday you have to trade the Forex, and Wednesday to Thursday you have to trade the stocks, and Friday you have to trade the metals and oil, while Saturday to Sunday you have to trade the crypto and synthetic, and so on. Alright, and so after doing that, that is not all. As you can see right here, this question, can I withdraw my profit without making a deposit? Yes, unlike many other promotions, you can withdraw a portion of your profit instantly after the trading promotion and without making a deposit first. Now this is the most important part. You can withdraw your profit without making a deposit. Alright, as you can see right here. Now, do I need to deposit my money before I receive the bonus? No. You can receive the funds without any initial investment. You don't need any money to be deposited before you can be able to get the bonus and also withdraw from the bonus. So now let's move to how you can get this particular bonus. So all you have to do right now is to verify your account first. You have to verify your account. Just click on verify your account right here. And these are the things they will be needing you to verify your account. Just submit your request. And after your account has been verified, as you can see right here, mine has been verified already. Alright, so after your account has been verified, just go to the dashboard, click on the claim new $150, and after that, click on the start bonus right here showing at the bottom. Click on start bonus, and right here you see claim $15 bonus, daily bonus, just trade as selected instrument. So today's instrument is metals and oil. Alright, so you click on start trade right here. So as you can see, they are preparing my account already. Alright, and as you can see right here, I told you the bonus is going to last for 7 days. So these are the day 1, day 2, and every other thing. And as you are trading it, the balance will be showing right here. So we just have to wait for some time for our MetaTrader account to be ready. As you can see, all information about your account will be available here soon. And after that, you can start trading. Alright. So after refreshing my page, I saw this. As you can see, these are the things I need to start trading with this particular account. So right here, ensure you select the head will real because it is a real account. And after that, then you click on the login button. So as you can see right here, they've given us $15 to trade for today. As you can see, the balance is showing right here on their page. All right, make a trade to unlock the next day and get $15, at least one position per day. So these are the things you need to meet before you can be able to withdraw. As you can see, complete tasks to get extra bonus funds. So these are just what you need to do. And if you want to know more details, you can just message their customer support. They are very active and they'll be able to help you. All right. So this will go in this video. I hope you have been able to get yours, and if not, let me know what is stopping you in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.